Welcome to CNC Design Vault, your destination for free 2D and 3D CNC design files. Here you'll discover premium carving designs, creative ideas. The quality of our 3D designs speaks for itself in every finished project. Now, let's open this design in Aspire software. Now come with me to our CNC workshop. Let's see how this design looks after it's carved on the CNC machine. If you'd like to get luxury CNC designs like this completely free, subscribe to CNC Design Vault. Start creating something amazing.